savings accounts can be a powerful financial tool that not only ease the burden of healthcare expenses, but also offer an array of unique advantages, including significant tax benefits and the potential to multiply your money. To unlock the full potential of these accounts and secure your financial health, it is crucial to understand how to effectively leverage HSA accounts. I'm Terry, a financial coach here at Dow Jones, and I'm going to dive in today to how you can use a health savings account as a key benefit to your financial plan, helping you make informed decisions and achieve financial peace of mind. If you want more videos to help you along your financial wellness journey, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We publish videos every Monday, and if you want to learn more about how to multiply your money using our tried and true system for investing, please be sure to check out our masterclass. I'll leave a link in the description. Is an HSA account. A health savings account, otherwise known as an HSA, is a tax-advantaged savings account that you can use to save money for qualified medical expenses when paired with a high-deductible health insurance plan. HSAs are designed to help people set aside funds for healthcare costs while enjoying certain tax benefits. So, here are some advantages of HSAs. Tax benefits. Contributions to an HSA are tax deductible, which means that you can reduce your taxable income by the amount that you contribute. In addition, earnings on the investments within an HSA grow tax-free, meaning that you don't have to pay any taxes on the money as long as it remains in the account. No income tax, no capital gains tax, nothing. Also, the money that you take from an HSA to pay for your or be reimbursed for qualified medical expenses is also tax-free. Savings on healthcare expenses. High deductible health plans, which are a requirement for having an HSA, often have lower premiums than traditional health insurance plans, which saves you on a monthly basis, your monthly insurance costs. Plus, unlike flexible spending accounts or FSAs, HSAs roll over from year to year. There's no deadline to use the money, which allows you to accumulate your savings over time. Investment opportunities. Some HSA providers offer the option to invest your HSA funds into mutual funds, stocks, bonds, or other investment vehicles. This can potentially help your savings grow over the long term. Portability. Your HSA is yours to keep even if you change jobs or health insurance plans. It's not tied to your employer. Retirement savings. If you take money before you're 65 from your HSA for non-medical costs or medical costs that don't qualify, you'll have to pay the federal income tax and a 20% tax penalty. But if you use your HSA funds for non-medical expenses after age 65, it's treated as regular income for tax purposes. So this means that your HSA can serve as a supplemental retirement account. An emergency fund for medical expenses. Having an HSA can act as a financial safety net, allowing you to cover unexpected medical costs without going into debt. Employer contributions. Some employers contribute to their employees' HSA as part of the benefits package, increasing the amount that you can save without actually impacting your take-home pay. Flexibility and choice. You have the flexibility to use your HSA money for a wide range of medical expenses, providing choice and control over your healthcare decisions and how your healthcare dollars are spent. Who can open an HSA account? Health savings accounts, or HSAs, are available to individuals who meet specific eligibility criteria. To have an HSA, you must satisfy the following requirements. You must be enrolled in a high-deductible health plan, which is a health insurance plan that has higher deductibles and lower premiums compared to traditional health insurance plans. You can't have health coverage other than a high-deductible health plan. There are exceptions for certain types of coverage, such as dental, vision, accident, or disability insurance, though. You cannot be enrolled in Medicare, and you can't be a dependent on someone else's tax return. Okay, we are about to get into the tips for leveraging your HSA account. But first, if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. It's an easy way to help us out so that we can continue to create free financial education for you. All right, here are the tips on leveraging your HSA account. Contribute regularly and maximize your contributions. The IRS sets annual contribution limits for HSAs, which can change every single year, so make sure that you check the current limits. To make the most out of your HSA, contribute the maximum allowable amount each year if you're able to. In addition to the annual limit, individuals who are over the age of 55 can also make additional catch-up contributions. It's important to note that HSAs are individual accounts, which means each individual can have their own HSA. So if you're married and both you and your spouse have family coverage under a high deductible health plan, you can each have your own HSAs and contribute to them separately up to the annual contribution limits. Use it for qualified medical expenses. Use your HSA funds for eligible medical expenses like doctor visits, prescription medications, dental and vision care, or medical equipment. Save receipts and keep your records. Keep receipts for qualified medical expenses. You can reimburse yourself from your HSA at any time, even years later, so long as you have the proper documentation. In addition, you want to maintain accurate records of your HSA contributions and the withdrawals and expenses. The documentation will come in handy just in case you ever have an IRS audit. Invest your HSA funds. Some HSA providers allow you to invest your HSA in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or other investments, which can potentially grow your savings over time. This is a good strategy if you think you won't need to use your HSA immediately for medical expenses. Save for retirement. After age 65, you can withdraw HSA funds for non-medical expenses without penalties, although regular income tax applies. This can make your HSA a supplemental retirement savings account. Save for future health expenses. Keep your HSA funds available for future medical expenses, especially if you anticipate significant healthcare costs down the road. Understand tax benefits. Contributions to your HSA are tax deductible, reducing your taxable income. Earnings in your HSA investment are tax-free, and withdrawals for qualified medical expenses are also tax-free. Shop smart for healthcare. Use your HSA as an incentive to shop for cost-effective healthcare services and negotiate prices when possible. Learn the rules. Familiarize yourself with the rules and regulations surrounding HSAs to ensure compliance with IRS guidelines and avoid penalties. Plan for retirement healthcare costs. Consider how your HSA can help cover healthcare costs in retirement. As healthcare expenses tend to increase with age, having an HSA can be a valuable asset. HSAs can be valuable tools for managing healthcare expenses, saving for medical costs, and potentially investing in your future. I hope that this gave you some insight into how you can make it work for you. And if you want to become a confident wealth builder, you should join us for our free masterclass. Hope to see you there. I'll put a link to that in the description. Thanks so much for watching.